Hey Shubham, thank you so much for taking out the time for this review. And without any further ado, let's dive in with the review. Could you walk me through how has your experience been so far with MG Prep?
Yeah, sure, Vanessa. So I joined it 2 months back after I went through one of the trial classes advertisements on one of the Facebook groups. So I was already really weary of this endless loop in which I was traveling, and I really wanted something impactful. So
Okay.
it was just a trial class, nothing to lose. So I went ahead, I took up the trial, and then and there itself, I felt the transition. The difference of a live online class from a pre-recorded classes. So till now, the best part is that the challenge that I used to have was consistency. But over here, I've been consistent. My stamina to sit and study for around 3 to 4 hours at a stretch. I've been working on that because the weekend classes are like for around 10 hours, almost 10 hours plus, including Saturday and Sunday. So your stamina for the exam also increases, and certainly I've seen the difference where I can sit consistently and my interest towards the subject is increased, which I particularly found was lagging in my prior attempt.
Okay. All right. So the next question would be: is what really made you choose the service, this particular service?
Mhm. So when I had taken up another course, which I mentioned I was feeling I procrastinating my preparation time and again, due to which I lost heart. Then there was fear of failure again. But when I joined Matigara's classes, Sir's
Mm-hmm.
methodology is you have to take it as an exam and not like a very big deal in your life. I was taking it like that. He said that just simply consider it as an exam and keep on preparing it, have a consistency. The biggest problem was in other courses, you have to wait for around 24 hours for your doubts to be cleared. You have to post it on a forum, then someone will write it back to you. But the impact of solving someone's doubt was not very impactful. But over here, we have literally spent almost 40-45 minutes over one question until each and every student's doubts are clarified. Uh, we do not move to the next question. And which is something at times, if I wish to ask a question, I've already witnessed some other student asking that same question and it gets cleared for me. So it's ultimately, I mean, this is the biggest difference one can experience in MG classes.
All right. Okay. So the highlight is basically um, one-on-one sessions with the students and also instant clearing sessions as well. Okay. All right. Great. Is there anything else about the service that is a particular highlight for you?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, for students like who are sailing in the same boat where you're procrastinating or probably wondering whether you should go ahead with the second attempt or not, you should always try to take up a trial class. There's nothing to lose. That's what Mithil sir told me. No problem, nothing to lose, because I was very reluctant after my first attempt that should I invest into something else or not. So I
Okay.
just went ahead with the trial classes, and everyone will feel the difference then and there itself. So take a trial class and you'll witness the difference for yourself. That's what I would suggest.
All right. Great. And coming on to the next question. So, how do you think has the entire GMAT prep service from Mithil Gada added value to your entire preparation?
Yes. Uh, when you have a person who's been guiding you throughout, it's almost at times you really need an emotional support as well. So I
Right.
really reached out to Sir. I said that, Sir, I don't really wish to go back to the preparations, but I cannot give up on my dream of going abroad and studying masters.
Okay.
So honestly speaking, there's this entire process is very organized by Mithil sir. There are 3 phases in which he prepares us. So we are pretty sure that even if we are struggling in the initial stages, we know that there are 2 more stages which will make us even stronger. And the best part is there are people of different backgrounds in our class. People who are working, students, or people who have dropped off from their work and preparing. So the
Right.
entire process is we start with difficult questions, then we go back to easier questions, and we see that these simple questions add up to become one big difficult question. So it's not just like every other prep where you are burdened with all difficult questions all at once. I have considerably increased my confidence in solving quantitative questions. since the time I've joined Metal Source classes. So yeah.
All right, great. Lastly, I would like to ask you, is there something that you'd like to tell students who are really reluctant or don't really know how to go about the GMAT prep?
So there are gonna be times where you feel like giving up, you don't want to study at all. But the key to GMAT is consistency and discipline. I mean,
Okay.
if your priority is your further studies, you have to be consistent no matter how much you dislike it. So I have felt it. Even a couple of days gap in your preparation will be a heavy toll on you, to be very honest. Practice is the key, and investing a lot of time in concepts followed by good questions to practice with is the
Okay.
key. So if you are not consistent with your preparation, you will just be wasting twice the time that is required for the GMAT prep. That's what I've felt throughout my experience.
Okay. All right. Great. Thanks a lot for your valuable inputs, Shubham. Right. I'm sure this is definitely going to be useful to quite a few students out there who are confused and don't really know how to go about the entire GMAT prep. So once again, thanks a lot for taking out the time for this review. And I wish you all the luck for your future endeavors. And I hope you get your target score as well. You reach your target score.
Yeah, certainly. After giving such a review, I should be scoring well, isn't it?
You will. Definitely you will.